Hi, I'm Stacy with Worship Guitar Resources, and my goal with this channel is to help you to play better and sound better in your worship services. If that's something you're interested in, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified next time I post a video. Today I'm going to make a case for the PRS being a contender for the best guitar for worship. Now, I mentioned in a couple other videos that they were the best guitar for worship, and I ruffled some feathers, so just know that the best guitar for worship is the one that you have, and hopefully I'll cover that in this series and you'll learn something about it that you didn't know and you'll get more enjoyment out of playing. This one is a custom 24. It has two humbuckers, master volume, master tone, 5-way switch, locking tuners, 25-inch scale, a mahogany back, and a maple top. It's on loan from a friend. He just thought I would enjoy playing it, and I absolutely am. He replaced the stock pickups with bare knuckle mules, and they sound great. It has a floating trem, and it's just a great guitar. So as I've done with the other guitars, I'm just going to go over a few things that I love about it. I'm new to PRS, so if I miss something that you know about it, let us know in the comments. So the first thing is the build quality. There just isn't anything lacking as far as that goes. The fret edges are great. The shape of the neck is great. It's not too thick. It's not too thin. The scale length is great. You get the tuning stability that you would get in a Fender, and the kind of the string flexibility that you would get on a Gibson. And just the wiring and just the way it's all done, it's pretty great. So my second thing that I like about it is the wiring and just their approach to how they set this up. So it's a 5-way switch, and it gives us humbucker tones as well as split coil tones. And we'll go over those now. So position 1 is just full humbucker on the bridge. Just a great rock tone right there. Position 2 is humbucker on the bridge and single coil on the neck. So that's kind of like a Joe Satriani guitar. Position 3 is just the standard humbucker tone that you would get like on a Les Paul. Position 4 is both guitars, both pickups split, so that's going to be similar to a Tele. And position 5 is just the full humbucker on the neck. The third thing I like about PRS is the versatility in their models. So this is the only one I've played, but I know they offer quite a few different body styles with the two humbuckers. They've got different wiring, different switchings. You can get a ton of different stuff. They also have two humbuckers with a single coil in the middle. They also have the Silver Sky, so you're covering that Strat world. They've got some version of a Tele. So they offer all of those things with their build quality and with their attention to detail. PRS are well-designed, high-quality instruments. Let us know your thoughts on PRS and what guitar do you think is best for worship. If you haven't yet subscribed, and hit that like button for good measure. Also, there's a handful of downloads free for you in the description box below. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one.